Are you searching for the best Bluehost coupon code so you can save the most money on web hosting? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to unlock the biggest Bluehost discount available right now, show you what's included in the deal, and even break down which hosting plan is best for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, the easiest way to claim the Bluehost discount is to click the special link in the description or the pinned comment below this video. Bluehost is currently offering up to 75% off hosting plans, and the best part is that the coupon code is automatically applied when you use that link. You'll also get a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate for security, and 24/7 customer support. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Here's how to grab the deal step by step. Click the link in the description. Select your hosting plan. There are a few options, and I'll cover which one is best in a moment. At checkout, you'll see the discounted price automatically applied, no need to manually enter a code. It's super simple and you'll be set up in minutes. Now let's quickly compare the different Bluehost plans so you know which one fits your needs best. Starter plan, this is the cheapest option and perfect if you're just starting just one website. It's the lowest cost way to get started with Bluehost. Business plan, ideal if you're running multiple websites or need more storage, security features, and automatic backups. If you're serious about scaling your site, this is a great value. eCommerce Essentials plan, this plan is designed for people who want to sell online. It includes the essential tools you need to set up an online store, accept payments, and manage products. With the discount, the starter plan can be as low as $249 a month, which is an incredible deal compared to the regular price. Now here's something important to know. The price you pay depends on the term you choose. 36-month term, this gives you the absolute cheapest price at $249 a month with the discount. If you want the lowest rate locked in, this is the best option. 12-month term, a little more per month, but still discounted, and it's a good choice if you don't want a 3-year commitment. Monthly term, Bluehost does offer a pay monthly option, but keep in mind it's more expensive, and it doesn't include the free domain name that comes with the longer plans. So if you want the biggest savings, the 36-month plan is the best value overall. I recommend Bluehost because they're officially recommended by WordPress.org, which means they're optimized for WordPress websites. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in getting started. So if you're ready to start your blog, online store, or business website, go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment to activate your Bluehost coupon discount. Once you sign up, you'll get hosting, a free domain name, and everything you need to launch your site right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more website tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Bluehost or web hosting in general. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.